Are you spending too much time on payroll? Looking for an easy-to-use time and attendance system that offers accurate, real-time clocking data? Then you need uAttend by Chronologic. uAttend by Chronologic is a cloud-based time and attendance system that makes it easy to see which of your staff are clocked in and where, 24/7. uAttend is more than a simple clocking system and includes employee scheduling, reporting, holiday management, absence, payroll data, and more. You can select from up to 6 different ways for your employees to clock in, including our popular biometric facial recognition or fingerprint terminals, which ensure staff are on site and are not clocking in for other workers. Best of all, our latest facial recognition terminal now includes temperature scanning functionality to help you keep your workplace safe. Our digital clocking methods such as web clocking and the uAttend app are ideal for remote staff or staff on the move, as it uses ring fencing technology, meaning workers can only clock in where they're supposed to be. You can also choose contactless RFID proximity clocking terminals or phone clocking. Enjoy easy-to-use time and attendance software that needs no installation, all from just £14.99 per month, with no fixed-term contract or hidden fees. Simply pay month to month and select a pricing plan that works for you based on the number of employees you have. Switch your plan up or down as your staff numbers rise and fall. It's that simple. You'll enjoy ongoing support as part of your monthly subscription with our friendly UK helpdesk, as well as free software training and updates to make sure you get the most from your uAttend account. Visit uattend.co.uk to get in touch with our team at Chronologic.